In this guide, we're going over how you can change your crosshair here in GTA 5 or GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to change your crosshair, what you need to go ahead and do is just pause your game and go ahead and navigate over to your settings. And once you are in your settings, you need to go ahead and find the display section on here. So scroll down, find display, select it, and once you're on the display section, you just need to find the crosshair option on here. So look through here, find crosshair, and this is that weapon target mode. You could switch it from simple to complex, just like so. Now you can also adjust the size as well for simple reticle size to make it bigger or smaller. It's kind of completely up to you. But this is really where you adjust your crosshair here in GTA 5. As soon as you apply the changes just by backing out, it's going to adjust immediately, and it really is as simple as that. You just change the style and size display here in GTA 5 or GTA 5 Online. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.